Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can import bookmarks from other browsers to your to the Raindrop application, for example on Google Chrome. So let us guide you through this, or in general to the Raindrop app. So what you want to do is launch the Raindrop app, for example as a desktop version or here on Google Chrome. And just for the sake of this tutorial guys, let us for example import the bookmarks from the Brave browser, right? So this is how you can do it. It depends on the browser you're using. If it's Brave, you will need to navigate to the Bookmarks manager here. So let me do that. Click into these three dots here, hover mouse over Bookmarks and Lists, and choose the Bookmarks manager. Here you will see your bookmarks list probably with your folders. What you want to do is click into these three dots and select Bookmarks, Export. Then save the bookmarks list on your device, for example in HTML file format. So let me do that. And then navigate back to the Raindrop app. And from here guys, what you will need to do is click into your account name in the top left, select settings. Here choose import and then click into upload file to upload the HTML file of the exported bookmarks from the given browser, which in my case was the Brave browser. Locate the file, upload it, and you will see the file upload. As you can see, the folder is empty, so there's actually no bookmarks here, but the file has been uploaded, as you can see guys. So that's how you do it. Then these bookmarks will be transferred to your bookmarks list in the Raindrop app, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.